Today we're going to talk about using a number line to solve a multiplication equation. And that's why our I can statement is I can use a number line to solve a multiplication equation. So the problem we're going to use for that is Billy picked tomatoes in his garden. If he picked 4 tomatoes each day for 3 days, how many tomatoes did he pick? Well, first, as always in math, we need to visualize. He picked 4 tomatoes. I can see 4 tomatoes on a vine or on different plants. But I see him picking these on 3 different days. So I see several plants. So on Monday, Billy picked 4 tomatoes. On Tuesday, Billy picked 4 more tomatoes. And on Wednesday, Billy picked 4 more tomatoes, which gives us 3 groups because there's 1 for each day and 4 tomatoes each day. So we get the problem of 3 times 4, or 3 groups of 4, equals T, the total number of tomatoes. Well, as we see in our I can statement, we're going to solve this using a number line. So I've gone ahead and made a number line for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at 0, and we are going to first, we're going to start at 0, and we need to make groups of 4. So our first one is going to be 0 to 4. And that is just 4 tomatoes in that group. Now we're going to start where we left off and add the next group of 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 and add 4 more is 8. So that means we're going to come down here and we're going to come to 8. And that's our second group of 4, and we are at 8. Now we need our third group of 4, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to end at 12. So we're going to come here and make our group of 4, and that is our third group of 4. And now we know that 3 groups of 4 gives us 12 tomatoes. So Billy picked 12 tomatoes on those 3 days. So his total number of tomatoes is 12. So that's using a number line to solve a multiplication equation. So we just have to make sure that we make the number of groups that we have in our problem and the correct number that are in each group, because in here we know we have 3 groups because there's 3 different days. We wouldn't have 4 groups because we didn't have 4 days. We had 3 days. So you have to make sure that your problem and what your drawing shows matches the information in the equation. So please feel free to leave comments and let me know any feedback. So I hope this helped you use a number line to solve a multiplication equation.